Videocast.
You're watching Markets for your daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from expert. I'm Yu Chong. First, the US dollar. The dollar weakened on Monday after the head of the Federal Reserve said it will be keeping its monetary policy accommodative for longer than previously thought. The greenback ended at 1.3769 to the euro and 103.21 to the yen. Today's data includes ISM manufacturing, which is expected to rise to 54 from 53.2 in March. Next to the euro. The euro rose on Monday after expectations that the ECB will loosen monetary policy ease despite the release of lower than expected inflation data. The single currency ended at 1.3769 to the dollar and 142.11 to the yen. Today's data includes the unemployment rate, which is expected to remain at 12%, and manufacturing PMI in March, which is expected to remain at 53. British pound. The pound strengthened on Monday after recent positive retail sales data, and a rise in money supply helped confirm expectations that the central bank was moving out of its easing cycle earlier than most other central banks. Sterling ended at 1.6660 to the dollar and 0.8263 to the euro. Today's data includes manufacturing PMI in March, which is expected to fall to 56.5. Japanese yen. The yen fell Monday after the release of poor industrial and manufacturing data and in anticipation of an imminent rise in the sales tax today. The yen ended at 103.21 to the dollar and 171.96 to the pound. Today's news includes Japanese services PMI and the balance of Japanese financial assets bought by overseas investors. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.377 with targets at 1.381 and 1.3845 in extension. Below 1.376, which will look for further downside with 1.374 and 1.372 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions above 1.6605 with targets at 1.6668 and 1.6672 in extension. Below 1.6605, which will look for further downside with 1.6055 and 1.6505 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long positions above 102.95 with targets at 102.45 and 102.75 in extension. Below 102.95, which will look for further downside with 102.65 and 102.4 as targets. Good luck and happy trading. Tune tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chong and you'll be watching Markets for you. Have a great day.